Nice black bear. It's beautiful. It's not too big. I mean, it's probably a juvenile. And he's not concerned at all with us. Because actually, if I zoom out here, right over there at that house, there's probably 5 people standing outside, all just filming. So let's see if I can get a better shot. Go forward a little bit here. Just sniffing, looking for grubs or something. Let's see. There's a dude right there filming with his family. Bunch of people. And there's a bear right there. Interesting. No, it's a black bear right here. Yeah, I'm just filming the juvenile. Right here. That's nice. Those people asked if I needed some help. That's what you're supposed to do when someone's pulled over, not honk at them. Oh, come on, really? Come on, lady. You gotta get out of the car. See, I'm in the car, right? So if this bear decides to get a little funky or something, I can just take off, you know? That's what you're supposed to do. It is still a wild animal. And it's beautiful. Back up a little bit here. There we go. Well, I'm going to leave the video now because I'm going to take some photos. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you soon. Take care.